Hello, welcome to my channel Berylleakey Creations, where we do different kind of creations using hand. So Berylleakey Creations is about handmade mats, anything yarn related. So welcome to my channel, and if you are a beginner here, know that you are going to learn a lot. So let's begin. These are the materials that you will need. You will need a latch hook crochet. You will need a mat mesh that you've already worked on the edges. You will also need a pair of scissors, which will help you to cut the loops. You will also need yarn, which is the main thing in our work. We begin by using the latch hook crochet and making the loops. Make sure your loops are not too small and they are not too long. If they are too short, they will easily worn out, and if they are too long, they will be it will consume a lot of yarn. So make sure you put you make the loops that are medium in size, and then let's do this. Make sure you put your latch hook crochet in each and every hole, and those are the lines that guides you. So watch keenly. Make sure you insert your whole latch hook crochet. Those are the lines that guides you, so that you don't skip any line. So make sure you follow those lines, and then you make sure you insert the whole of latch hook crochet when it is open, and then it will grab the yarn and then it will close itself. So let's continue doing this together. You can see my loops are medium in size, and they are all aligned together. So when the latch hook crochet is full, you just remove it, and then you use your pair of scissors to cut through the loops like this. Yes, like this. You see, they are medium in size and they bring out something that is good. So here is how the back looks like. Make it clean as this one, and don't struggle, just do it when you are relaxed. Let's continue. So here is the part that I did where my pair of scissors was blunt. So when you are doing this project, make sure your pair of scissors is sharp enough to cut through the loops. I did this tutorial, especially this part, for you to understand that blunt scissors won't help you much. So make sure your pair of scissors is sharper to cut through the loops very easily. So that's why I did this part. also continue with the process until you're done with your mat. This is just a method 1 of how we make these mats. We have different methods that people use. Others use punching needles, others use the normal crochet. All those, I'll do the videos that shows how we do it. So this is method number 1 for today, so keep on watching until the end. Right, and we are done. So if you follow the process keenly, you will come out with something so beautiful like this. Look at how the back looks like, so neat. Look at how we've done it. So make sure you don't struggle to make the loops. Just take it easy and do this mat when you are relaxed, so that you can come out with something beautiful like this. So continue with the project. This is just a method 1 for today. I will teach you on other methods that we do, on other methods that we can use to make beautiful mats like this. So keep on watching and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more are yet to come. So don't forget to press that subscribe button. You can also like and comment on the areas that you want me to improve on. Thanks for watching.